Time now for our favorite person of the day, when we pick one person who grabbed our attention and not for the right reasons. Today, it is the real Wolf of Wall Street, Jordan Belfort, who says he expects to make $100 million this year from speaking tours, even though the people he ripped off say he still owes them tens of millions. Belfort is the author of the best-selling true story, Wolf of Wall Street, where he chronicles years of boozing, womanizing, and stealing money from investors of bogus penny stock companies he was promoting. The book was turned into a hit movie with Leonardo DiCaprio playing him. He served 22 months in prison and agreed to pay back the $110 million he stole from unwitting investors. But prosecutors and victims say he has a long way to go in paying that money back. When Belfort was asked about the money on Australian television, he walked off the program.
The last thing is that apparently you have an oral contract with your management, the Fordham Company. Is that an attempt to hide your income?
Next question.
I think the peanut gallery is going to start chiming in really quickly.
He's such a believable guy. Next question. Let's all try that. He eventually, by the way, sat back down. Belfort claims that he will make good on the money through his speaking engagements, but many have his doubts. So crime may not pay, but writing and speaking about it clearly does. And so Jordan Belfort is our favorite person of the day. Next, is targeting a specific demographic group good for marketers? You're watching Arise Exchange on this Monday. Please stay with us.